What's up, YouTube? It's Big Daddy here. I got my Snack King Cole hat on, taking a walk in a snowstorm. Somebody asked me if I'm doing any more walking vlogs, and I always tell them it's kind of hard to do these vlogs when it's cold out and snowing. But someone said I should take a walk in the snow, show them the winter wonderland that is Chicago. Well, gotta be honest, we haven't had a whole lot of snow this year yet. We've had some cold, we've had some snow. The other day we had about 2-3 inches. It accumulated, then melted because it got warm again. That's kind of how it is here in the beginning of the winter. But yeah, so, but today we're supposed to get 6 to 12 inches of snow. So I figured good time to take a walk. Show you guys all the fun. So we're just gonna walk around the neighborhood again, like we always do. It's New Year's Day. I hope you guys had a great New Year's Eve. If you partied, I hope you had fun, stayed safe, didn't get too drunk. I didn't get too drunk. I got drunk on pizza. Yeah, you know, I know I'm trying to lose weight and trying to watch my food intake, but I gotta admit, the holidays are very tough. It's kind of a up and down, kind of a clusterfuck roller coaster of sorts. Like Thanksgiving wasn't too bad. Normally Thanksgiving for me is a solid day of eating. And this year I did eat some. I had a normal turkey dinner with all the trimmings, but I didn't overdo it. You know, I didn't go crazy like, you know, you normally do, where you're sitting on the couch unbuttoning your pants like Ray Barone's dad on Everybody Loves Raymond. No, I didn't do that this year. I had my dinner, and then I had my pie, and then called it a night. And then I went back on the diet and maintained my 2,000 calorie a day thing, and tracked my calories and did pretty good. And then we ran right into Christmas weekend, and Christmas Eve was supposed to be a party at my cousin's house. Well, as you guys know, the Omicron COVID variant is here, and it's attacking everybody. So some of my relatives on that side of the family decided they weren't comfortable with the party. There was going to be about 30 of us at my cousin's house, so they canceled the party. Well, one of the things we do at that party is everybody brings a dish to pass. Normally, for me, I made it simple. I pretty much every year just bring one of those giant apple pies from Costco or Sam's. They're both about the same size. Well, as you can imagine, because the party was canceled, I now had a giant apple pie to eat, which I did. I didn't eat the whole pie all at once, but you know, over the course of a week, have a slice a day. It's not the greatest for weight loss, but I tried to make it so I tracked the calories and, you know, went over a little bit. One day I had pie for breakfast. That was pretty awesome. Yeah, so did I lose weight over the holiday week, or month, I should say, really between Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's? No. Did I gain weight? A little, like 2 pounds. Big effing deal. Oh, there's a big old, someone's redoing the sidewalk here. I gotta walk around so I don't trip. But for the most part, you can get through the holidays only up a couple of pounds That's pretty good. That's a win for me. That's like going to Vegas and breaking even. You didn't lose, you didn't win, but you're doing okay. It's coming down. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see my jacket. It's not as heavy as it's gonna get. It just started about half hour ago, but it's pretty steady, and it's supposed to get to the point where we're getting about an inch an hour, and that's pretty heavy snow. Let's see what else. Christmas was nice. Spent it with family. The kids got a lot of nice things. You know, I'm blessed that my wife and I are blessed that we have enough means to spoil them on Christmas. Not too much. We don't buy them cars or anything like that. But, you know, my son wants some techie stuff. My daughter wants clothes and boots and hats and things. So it all worked out. It was nice. Had a good time. Overall, the diet is going pretty well. At one point, I hit 374, and that was my lowest. Right now, as of today, I weighed myself, I'm at 382. I was down to 374, but now, here's the weird thing. I was down to 374 once, and then I weighed myself like 2-3 days later. Didn't really do anything different, cheating-wise, and I was back up to 379. So I kind of hover right around that 380 mark most of the time right now, and I'm sort of what I would say in a plateau. I don't think I'm doing anything too detrimental, but I think if I want to continue losing weight, I may have to make some more changes. I'm just not sure what changes to make, you know. I could cut back on sugar, I could increase my cardio, I could increase my strength training, you know, I could just lower my calories. I just don't know, you know. I don't do a whole lot of moving, and that's probably the biggest part of the problem. And with the cold weather coming, with snow and ice, it's hard to walk, and the cold air is not the greatest for my asthma. I'm gonna switch hands because my arm's getting tired, but I gotta do something. I'm just not sure what. So if you guys got suggestions, leave me some comments down below. We took the Christmas decorations down outside the house. I think this weekend, or sometime this week, we're gonna take the Christmas tree down and start with 2022. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy from this stupid pandemic. Just found out the other day my brother has COVID-19. He's doing okay. Light fever and congestion, but so far he's doing okay. I'm concerned about him, but I'm not worried just yet. For the most part, he's a pretty healthy guy, although he does smoke a bit, so we'll see. Other than that, everybody in the family, my family is good. My in-laws are good. So it's been pretty, I wouldn't say it was a better year last year than 2020, but not great. You know, I lost a couple of friends, but on the, you know, on the other side of things, things seem to be improving on the pandemic front. At least I hope so. You wouldn't know it by talking to our governor, though. He thinks the world's coming to an end. He's like Chicken Little, but he's not real little. He's chicken big. Anyways, that's pretty much all I got to say for today, guys. I'm going to put my phone back in my pocket because it's getting really wet, and I don't want to tempt fate or cause any damage. So you guys, hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I thank you for watching. And I apologize about not making as many videos in the last couple of months. Honestly, I'll be honest, I haven't been feeling it. And I've been more interested in trying to lose weight and eat better than to eat a bunch of crap and make videos about it. So, but we're trying to keep up, trying to throw some out there. And honestly, there hasn't been that many new food items in the fast food arena because fast food's kind of hurting. All the restaurant industry is kind of hurting. It's tough between people losing their jobs or people companies not being able to find work, shortages. It's just kind of a mess. So, but overall, I think things are good, and let's hope that we're going to put this nonsense behind us and move on to bigger and better things. So, this is Big Daddy. I thank you for watching. Remember, before you take the first bite, you got to stuff it in your pie hole. We are out. Take my glove off so I can shut off the damn camera. What are you doing, Bear? It's Bear enjoying some time out in the yard in the snow. Checking out all the fun stuff. Yeah, we got some snow today. Not a ton, about an inch or two so far. Still coming down. We'll see how much we get.